माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राहे हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे.
Warm welcome to all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It gives me immense pleasure to talk about this auspicious occasion. Gandhi Jayanti honors the great personality of Mahatma Gandhi. It's an opportunity to reflect and cherish the life of this great person. Let's remember Mahatma, who shook the world in a gentle way. Wishing you a happy Gandhi Jayanti. It marks the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This was also the day that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had set as a target for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He stood for and the life he led. We, as the future of our country, should honor him by living by the principles of truth, simplicity and non-violence and make India an exclusive nation. Jai Hind.
Respected teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, October 2nd, is a significant day in the lives of all Indians. Yes, it is the birthday of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It reminds us the word of timelessness of his ideals. To add to this, he shares his birthday with the second Prime Minister of India, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. The personality of Gandhiji had many dimensions. A great leader, a visionary, a fearless warrior who sacrificed his life for the freedom of India. There are many inspiring and touching anecdotes from the life of Gandhiji. I would like to share my favorite one, which will be relevant for all the students. When Mohandas was a student, there occurred an inspection in the school. The inspector read out 5 English words in the classroom to the students. The students were asked to write 5 words correctly, but Gandhiji wrote only 4 words correctly. The teacher in the classroom had made a sign to Gandhiji to copy the 5th word correctly from the student next to him. But Gandhiji ignored. When the inspector left the classroom, the teacher shouted at him and the other students laughed at him. But Gandhiji knew he was right. From this incident, we learned that honesty is the best policy. Only person with honesty can be happy and peaceful in life. Truth and non-violence were his tools. In this modern world of violence, we must practice these tools for our coexistence. Amidst this COVID-19 crisis, a question crept into my mind. Today, if Gandhi were alive, how he would have battled the pandemic? Definitely, he would have led the nation the way he fought the plague epidemic in Johannesburg in 1905. Let's follow his ways of caring others. Wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi is mostly known as the father of the nation and Bapu for his incredible contribution. In the Indian history, he was a great man who transformed the dream of freedom of Indians into reality. Even today, people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and incredible work.
Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent struggle for the country can never be forgotten. He spent his entire life in bringing freedom to country. Thank you.
Biography of Mahatma Gandhi. In India, Mahatma Gandhi is a legend and an inspiring personality who fought for our independence against Britishers and got success. He is none other than a superhero for us, with great preaching and sorted knowledge. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and was born in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family on October 2nd, 1869. When the British started its rule in India, Bapu was in England for his law studies. After completing his studies, he came back to India and started supporting Indians to raise their voice against British rule. He began non-violence movement as he wants to end the things in a great manner. He got orphaned many times, yet he proceeded with his peaceful battle for independence of India. After his arrival in India, he joined the International Congress as a part. Being a part of the International Congress, he started various independence movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience, Satyagraha, Dandi March, and later Quit India movement, which wound up effective a day and helps India in getting an opportunity. Due to his great strategies and being a freedom fighter, he got arrested many times and sent to jail. But his dedication and high spirit helped him to continue his battle for justice. Called as a father of nation, he put all his efforts to make India free of British rule and live an independent country. He made a unity of people of all castes, religions, race, community, age or gender to step forward for this independence movement, which he used all through the parade. All his dedication finally forced Britishers to quit India and go back to their country on 15th August 1947, which we all celebrate every year as India Independence Day. Sadly, he couldn't continue his life after independence as he was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948.
Good morning all. Myself Krishnendu KK from 5th B. Today we are celebrating the 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is a symbol of unity under whom millions of Indians united and fight against the British to gain independence. Mahatma Gandhi is mostly known as Father of Nation and Bapu for his incredible contribution. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is declared as Non-Violence Day by United Nations. In Indian history, he was a great man who transformed the dream of freedom into reality. Even today, people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and incredible work. Mahatma Gandhi was against foreign goods, and that's why he used to give priority to indigenous things in India. Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent struggle for the country can never be forgotten. He spent his entire life in bringing freedom to the country. On his 151st birthday, let's try to make these words of Mahatma part of our life. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। हाथ से करो घर का काम, मुख से बोलो सीताराम। हाथ से करो घर का काम, मुख से बोलो सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। कौशल्या का ब्याला राम, दशरथ जी का प्यारा राम। कौशल्या का ब्याला राम, दशरथ जी का प्यारा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
With this, we have come to the conclusion of the Gandhi Jayanti celebration. Let us take a pledge to keep Gandhi alive in our heart and mind forever. Jai Hind.